I bought this pair of shoes worth close to £300 from Clarks for just £3 47 pence out of pocket. How did I do it? Today I'll be sharing a cashback site with you and how you can benefit from it and how I've been able to use it as well. Hello and welcome. My name is Joba, and if you are new to this channel, this is Living in the UK, where we discuss about finance, career, parenting, job search, and every other thing covering your living in the UK. These topics are for those who are just coming into the UK, but from what I've discovered, a lot of people that are even living in the UK for a couple of years now have no idea of some of the things we discuss on this channel. So I'm hoping this will help people in different aspects, covering their finances, parenting, settlement options, shopping smartly, job search, and other things about their living in the UK. If this is something you like, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. So let's get to it. What is cashback? Cashback is basically getting money back for shopping. So you make your normal shopping and you get some money back for using particular links or for using a particular website. You get some money back for doing your normal shopping. This won't cost you anything extra, but you get paid for shopping. However, there's a caveat to this. This is not going to make you rich by any means. It's just a way of getting something back for your normal shopping. In saying this, you should not go on a shopping spree, on a spending spree, just because you want to get cash back or you want to get some points. It doesn't make sense. You should only use it when you are going to shop. You should only use it if you are going to buy that thing anyway. So if you're going to buy it anyway, you might as well get some money back for it. So just to put it out there, it will not make you rich, and you should not go about shopping just because you want to get some cash back. Don't go into debt just because you want to get cash back. So for cashbacks, some banks offer it. You might see offers on your bank accounts saying if you buy using the bank card, you get some cash back. Some credit cards offer it, some debit cards offer it. However, I find that having a general cashback website that have several links to different websites that you can use on your day-to-day shopping is much beneficial. This is from my experience, and I'm talking about the particular cashback site I use today. And on the sites, I get to just search for the website I want to use, and I just make my purchase, and over time I get my cash back in my wallet in the account, which I can withdraw as a cash, transfer to my bank account, or transfer to my account via PayPal, or as a voucher or gift card. The cashback site I'll be talking about today has won the 2022 Money Facts Consumer Award as the cashback site of the year, and has won it in the past 3 years as well. So it's a very good website. This cashback is called TopCashback. TopCashback is quite easy to use. It's free to register, although there is an upgrade option which you pay £5 a year for, and you don't pay that out of pocket. That is deducted from the cashback you earn each year, and if you use it very well, you can easily make that. I put a link in the description below for you to use to register. To be transparent, this is an affiliate link. When you click on it and you register using the link, you get a sign-up bonus, and I will also get a commission. It doesn't cost you anything, but you get a bonus for signing up using my link. It helps to support the channel. Top Cashback allows you to shop using links on the website. When you see the link to the particular store you want to buy something from, you just click on it and you make your purchase normally. Ensure that you allow cookies, because that is how it is actually tracked, to see that you actually click on the links on the website and you made your purchase. Alternatively, they have a plugin which works with Chrome. I've not used it with any other browser before, but it works with Chrome, and with that you can just be browsing normally and you want to make any purchase, it will pop up if they have a link for that website, and you just need to click on the button, and from there you can make your purchase and it will track it for you to get your cashback. If you're liking the vibe of this video and you are enjoying the information being provided, please like the video and share with someone else who might be interested. So how do you register? How do you use TopCashback? Click on the link in the description and verify your email address, then log into your account. I will now go on my desktop to show you how to do this and talk you through the website, how to make your purchases and how to actually check your earnings. I will log into my own personal account so that you can see the different websites I've used it on, how much I've earned, and how I was able to buy my shoes with TopCashback. Let's go back to the computer now. I'll show you that now. I'll put this link in the description below and you can easily just go there, and like I said, to be transparent, is a referral link and you get a sign-up bonus. So I'll talk you through the signing up process now. I will enter one of my email addresses. How did you hear about it? YouTube in this case. You can choose to opt out of tips or leave it. I'll choose to opt out because this is a demo. So this is how it looks when you're logged in. This is how it looks. I'll log in later on to my own account to show you how things are. Once you're logged in, you can go to the accounts and go to the account overview. You need to verify your email address. I'll do that now. Once you have verified your email address, you can choose to complete your profile or not. And it is on this same page you get the option to choose your payout details and other aspects of your profile. I'll log out of this demo account and log in to my own account to show you how it will look like once you start using it properly. Now I'm on my own personal account. I'll quickly go to the profile page to show you how mine looks. As you can see, I didn't populate any of my personal information there. You don't have to. Membership details. You choose the type of membership you want. There are two, the plus and the regular. You can read more about it once you join, and you'll be able to choose if you want to go for the plus membership or the free membership. The plus membership costs £5 per year, but that is normally deducted from any cashback you get again, so there is no, you're not losing any money from that. Then payout details. This is where you get to enter your bank account details and your PayPal details if you want to transfer the money in your account to your bank account or via PayPal. That's all about that. And also, if you want to add a charity, you can choose to do that. Email preferences, that's just about newsletter and other things in that area. You can choose to opt out or opt into any particular one you wish. So let me go back to the home page to just show you how it looks. So at the top you can choose which shopping you want to go for and make your purchase using the links on the website. What I normally do is I just search for, say I want to do my car insurance. I can just search for compare the market and I select compare the market car insurance. It tells me I can get £20 cashback. Once I click on that, it just takes me immediately to compare the market's website, and I carry on doing my normal comparison. And if I purchase an insurance on the website, I get a cashback after a period of time. All cashbacks track at different rates. they also track at different duration. Some you will get your cashback few hours, some it may take few days for you to see it in your account. So let me go back to the home page. So you can see the top deals on the carousel, and you can choose whichever one you like. You can see the what's new, the top picks, and other areas of the home page. For me, I don't go through all of these threads because I don't have much time. I just come in, search for the particular website I want to go for, and I make my purchase. That's what I do. If I'm trying to purchase maybe a new broadband, I just go search BT and make my choice. If it's Virgin, I go and make my choice and just move on. I don't have time. I don't go through all these special deals, but if you want to, you can go through that. So that's that about this home page. The main part of TopCashback is around the account overview. So as you can see, I've received £207.16. I've cashed out £205, and it's promoting other offers to me as well. If I go to earnings, this is showing the different websites I've used and how much cashback I've gotten, and you can filter them by what's pending, what's confirmed, what's payable, what's claimed, and what's declined. My dashboard shows you a graphical interface of what you've earned so far. I'll come back to payout and reward wallets later. I think we've been through the profile. You can go through it again if you want to and just update your details. Customer service, as the name suggests, if you have any issues, you can contact them. I've not had the cost to contact them. And once you join as well, you just go to the tell a friend and you can click on it and share your own link as well to your friends and family to get rewards for referring them. The payout section shows how you choose to get your money, either in a wallet, and once it's in the wallet, you have the option of e-gift cards or vouchers. You can choose bank transfer or you can choose PayPal. If you don't have enough money in it, it will be disabled just like mine because I've just withdrawn some money from it. So that's the payout. When you're on the payout section, you get the option to choose how you want to withdraw your money, either as a gift card, bank transfer, or PayPal. If you choose the gift card, you will need to withdraw your money into your reward wallet. That's where you can now convert it to gift cards. Now let me show you the reward wallet. As you can see, that's what I just explained. Transfer your payable cash into your reward wallet if you want to use these payout options. So these are all the options they have. Asda, you get 4% boost. Tesco, Morrison's, and all these other options. There's quite a number of them if you want to shop on different ones. And let me just choose one to show you. You choose how much you want to withdraw and you confirm payouts. In most cases, it takes about 2 working days to process, and you get an email with your electronic gift card, which you can use to place orders and use. There are terms and conditions attached to them. Just read to be sure if you can withdraw, if you can use it online, or you need to go in store to use the gift card. I've used it for if I'm buying a domain name, if I'm comparing insurance, if I'm shopping on eBay, if I'm buying things on Matalan, any course on Udemy, train tickets, Currys, even DIY things, Wix, Toolstation, mobile contracts, and yeah, across a range of different things. So what I do is I go on the website I want to shop on, I find what I need. Once I'm satisfied with it, in most cases I'll add it to the basket. All I need to do is come back to TopCashback search for the website. If it's there, use the link, go to the same website. My item is in my basket already, and I just check out. Saves me time, saves me stress, and I get extra money back for the same purchase I will have purchased. However, you need to be careful if you're using other plugins like say Honey, because it's also a reward type of plugin. If it's detected, you may not get your cashback. So you probably need to make a decision between using Honey and using TopCashback. In addition, if you're using a voucher or a discount code on the website, it may also affect your cashback. So just make sure you check the terms and conditions properly. So for example, if I go to Currys now and say I want to buy a laptop, and you can see if you click into it, it will tell you the different categories and the different cashbacks that applies. And also if you scroll down, it will tell you what can stop you from getting your cashback, what else is essential, and things like that. It's not the same, so you need to check it for each retailer you are dealing with. So how was I able to get my Clark's shoe? Yes, I said I was going to tell you about that. So as I showed you before in the reward wallets, as you can see, Clark's offers 11% bonus. So what I had to do was cash out my money as an e-gift voucher, Clark's e-gift voucher, and I have to redeem it in store. In my local store, they were offering in-house discounts as well. So made my purchase. So for every full price shoe you buy, you get additional one half price. If the shoe was already on sale, you still get the same additional 50% discount on them. So 2 of those shoes were actually on sale, and I still got additional 50% discount off them. So I bought 1 full price shoe and 2 shoes on sale with extra sale. So all in all, shoes worth around £300. I only paid less than £4 for it, which was a good deal in my opinion. For this to work for you properly, I would suggest installing the plugin so that you can always go through the links on TopCashback to make your purchases, because there are times that you just want to make a quick purchase, you've forgotten about TopCashback and you just make your purchase. But if the plugin is installed on your browser, you can easily just click on it and it will track without the need to actually log into your account to make your purchase. And as you can see, it's not going to cost you anything extra. It's not a daunting task, but it always helps in one way or the other. If you've gotten value from this, I appreciate you subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and share with just one of your friends who will also benefit from this. And you can always refer back to the video if you need any further instructions on how to use it. If you have any question or any comment, or you want to share your own experience of how you've actually used it before, please drop it in the comment section and I will be glad to respond or to interact with you there. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.